This how to 1 minute will show you how to change payment method on Wix website. It's super easy process to change payment method. Just follow me to do it. Open your Wix site dashboard and scroll down to this left-hand menu. Click on settings. Here click on accept payments. And here you will get connected payments. So as you can see, currently Wix Payments is active, and to change current payment method, scroll down and under not connected payment method you can select any payment method. Just click on connect next to the payment method you want to use and follow instructions to connect the payment method to your Wix account. That's how you will be able to change your payment methods on Wix website. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.